Hey guys, so I went to the store, and the funny thing was, I went to my local health food store that I ride my bike to, and they have parchment paper there. It's like the eco-friendly brand or whatever. And of course, I completely forgot. That's like the one thing that I went for. So when I got there, I was so excited because yesterday when I had rode up there on my bike, I was wanting to get the chocolate and the avocados, but I had only gotten $60. And so I did not, I had to put back the chocolate, and I have no idea what I'm doing here. This actually smells really good. I had to put back the chocolate and the avocados because I only had $60. So I was able to get those today. So I got excited and totally forgot to get the parchment paper. So I decided to swing around and go to Hy-Vee, and I just got some parchment paper. Went ahead and got some miso because I had to go all over the store because I couldn't find the parchment paper. And I'm trying to figure out how thin to make this. You just have to experiment, you know, you really do. It's pretty thin if you want it to cook faster, I guess, or not cook, but to dehydrate faster. I'm so excited about this. Like, it's not because it's Christmas colors, it's just because it's got great energy. And you guys, I was singing to myself, I was praising the Lord on the way, go, not the Lord, I guess, I mean, praising God. And just like singing, and I had this huge smile on my face. And it reminded me of this book that my baby daddy actually had one time called The Inner Smile. It was like a form of kind of kung fu, like not kung fu, but like qigong, like energy work type of stuff, and basically a healing practice to do an inner smile. I'm not sure who writes the book or whatever, but it's out there. I'm sure you could find it if you really wanted to. But that's what it reminded me of, and I felt like the smiling was good. I felt like, honestly, I was smiling bigger than I've ever smiled. And for no particular reason, you know, just because I was looking at the clouds. They were totally gorgeous. Again, I just feel great, and my face just naturally, you know how sometimes, I don't know if you guys have ever felt this, but one time back in the day, nothing was really bad in my life. I had already gotten out of the abusive relationship, and I went to Vegas with some ladies when I was doing passion parties, and I just kind of felt like, wow, I'm kind of smiling again. Like I felt like prior to that, my face had been, not smiling fully. Today, I felt like, wow, like full on smile, ease of, the muscle movement and everything. This feels like a Christmas wreath. Does this not look like a damn Christmas wreath to you? Look at that. This is hilarious. I want to eat these right now. So, handles go on the bottom. This is awesome. I'm really excited. So I just want to kind of show you what I'm doing and show you what I got. I'm going to turn it on. Again, I have no idea what I'm doing. Trying to make it about yay thick, couple centimeters maybe, just so again it cooks faster. And I'm thinking about maybe sprinkling more seasoning on part of this. I have no idea. We shall see. Again, I'll let you know. Okay, so I just want to add that I got a pretty cheap little dehydrator here, and it actually does not have any settings, so that's kind of nice. Like, I don't even have to worry about it. So I just ended up getting 3 trays, even though there are 4, but I only had enough to go ahead and have 3. So I'm just gonna keep it in there until it looks good, looks like it's done. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you what's going on here. I'm going to show you the plate. I just took a nice picture outside for Instagram. I'm just so excited over this food again. The vibration, the fact that, this is my first raw crackers ever. They're not, I could probably keep them going for a little longer. It hasn't even been like 36 hours at this point, but it's totally edible, of course, and doable for me. I'm just got some avocado on here with some sprouts, and eating it just like a little like an open faced sandwich. The flavor is good. I know I can improve upon it, but I'm really impressed. I'm really happy. I'm really thankful and grateful when you're eating like this, guys. It's like I don't know, it just reminds me to be thankful for my food even more. I'm making little pizzas. This is exactly what I needed. You have no idea how stoked I am right now. To be able to use that pulp. I mean, this is gonna be my life now. You know, green juice and pulp. And Acine bread and raw fruits. You know? Fruits and veggies and some grains and some spreaded lentils. I mean, this is it. Really bad lighting, I know, but it's just awesome. I'm so thankful and happy. Hey guys, so it is me. I'm just gonna show you the second time I've ever used my dehydrator. I really just winged this. I just was like, oh, I'm just gonna throw some stuff in here because I wanted to do a banana. I just had a really, really ripe banana, and I just sliced it up, you know, relatively thin, put it on here. I was watching somebody telling me how great those were, and that was really great. I had it in the morning for breakfast. I wish I would have eaten it when it was warm, but these aren't done yet. The banana was really good. These are just sweet potatoes. Again, I would have seasoned these. Maybe you have to turn them. This is, as you guys, if you watch my channel, you may know, like, this is just trial and error. I just kind of wing it, just like I do with everything. These ones are getting kind of crispy. Look how cute this is. Yeah, more sweet potatoes on the bottom. These are going to be really good. Crispy. Once, I mean, they're not crispy yet, but I can see myself eating a lot of zucchini chips. Zucchini is just so versatile. And I hope it's not going to make my power bill go crazy. It's like on all night. I'm sure it's not very much power, but anyway. Oh man, and I can't wait to try my own kale chips. Get some nooch. Get some raw nooch. Ooh, guys, honestly, I really never thought I was going to go completely raw. And I'm not there yet, and I'm not even going there. Did I showed you guys my little crackers. It's almost like you're proud of it, you know, because you made it. It's like you're a kid, and you know, because you made it. That's a tactic us moms have learned to use. It's like one tip to get your kids to eat more veggies is to put the veggies out as the appetizer before the rest of the meal is made. And I still stand by this today. One of the best tips. People say, I can't get my kid to eat. If they're hungry enough, they'll eat anything. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of touch base with you guys. Honestly, I feel like I'm getting kind of far out there. You know, I know that, again, some of my followers have been asking me about the vegan thing, and the raw vegan thing, and I still need to make that video.